Hi, my name is Ayushi. I'm currently in my 35 weeks of pregnancy. So I've gone through this process of belly mapping at Fernandez Stork Home, Banjara Hills. It was a great experience, I would say, because I was able to map through my baby movements, where specifically the head, the hands, and the fingers are moving. And accordingly, Dr. Pooja helped me through map on my belly the entire picture of my baby along with the placenta and umbilical cord. It was a really nice experience, and I also had my baby kicking through the process. So it was really good. I really enjoyed the process of this belly mapping. Thank you, Fernandez Hospital, for this event.
Hi, I'm Rajani. Today, me and my husband have come to Stockholm Fernandez Hospital to meet our doulas, Dr. Pooja and Celestina. There, they are celebrating a doula week. Actually, they helped me with the belly mapping, and we enjoyed a lot. Even our baby enjoyed a lot. During the session of this belly mapping, my baby was moving a lot. And thanks to Pooja, because I've seen them helping so many mothers and even Celestina ma'am. So I think I would suggest all the mothers to take the service of the doula, and they will help you. They are there to take care of you. Thank you.